Aw, you're so cute and fluffy. This little guy may look like a pet, but he's actually a robot. This is the AI robot pet Muffling, who's here to calm and relieve your stress.
With these unique AI technologies, Muffling will respond to its environment and express its feelings through sound and movement. Muffling has the ability to learn, and its personality will develop based on how it is treated. Muffling is like a real life pet, so even families who cannot own animals can help develop their children's sensitivity through muffling. Muffling can also be used in psychotherapy for the elderly. It will create comfort, reduce stress, and maintain mental stability. Taking care of muffling can potentially help prevent dementia as well. We hope muffling will be a part of many children and seniors' lives in the future.
This little guy is warm like a real pet. It's so amazing. How about welcoming Muffling into your family?
As you may have seen in a movie, operating a computer by moving your hand without touching, like magic. Actually, this magical technology already exists. Let me introduce ErrorTap by NextEdge Technology. Just connecting this unique 3D camera will enable ErrorTap to read your hand movements and perform touchless operations. There is no need to modify the system you are currently using, and you can transform it to a touchless system. Because of the extremely hygienic behavior, even in surgery rooms, doctors can access the computer. ErrorTap will surely play an active role in medical situations. You can use this technology such as when you are in front of an automatic door. By showing a sign with your hand, you can open the door, and it can also be highly secure. You can also use it with wide screens, kiosks, and ticket vending machines. ErrorTap has a future full of possibilities. It's like the Force, the dawn of a new era.
For many people, earning a good credit score and being approved for loans can be extremely difficult. This is even the case for hardworking, honest people, as most scoring algorithms evaluate their past, not their current situation. Specific individual situations such as being self-employed or an immigrant can also cause current scoring methods to become unfairly skewed. DeepScore is an application available on Android and iOS, which is able to determine how trustworthy a person is in just 1 minute, as they answer 10 simple questions. Whilst the user answers these questions, the application monitors and analyzes their facial movements and voice with AI in order to determine a trust score. DeepScore is useful in a wide range of industries for loan requests, insurance claims, and user authentication. No background history is required for users. It can accurately and instantly separate low and high-risk users. And it's already in use in some emerging Asian markets and has seen 2 to 3 times the consolidation of uncollectible loans. DeepScore aims to help money lending companies build trust with hardworking, earnest people.
Doctors are exposed to harsh working environments caused by increase of working hours, especially with COVID-19. Today, I would like to introduce AI software developed by Initia to reduce the burden on such doctors. The 30% of the work of doctors is actually document creation such as medical records and medical certifications. The AI software called Satomi, developed by Initia, focuses on the efficiency of documentation. By Initia's unique language processing technology, Satomi extracts only important information from the electronic medical record reported by the doctor. By reducing the burden of document creation, doctors can concentrate on their original medical work. Moreover, their organized data can be used for medical research as well. Initia will contribute to the reform of working style for doctors and the development of Japanese medical care by taking advantage of language processing technology. With the introduction of Satomi, it seems that the medical system supporting our health will change drastically.
Natural disasters have drastically impacted many people's lives around the world. Due to geographical reasons, earthquakes and tsunamis occur especially frequently in Japan. Introducing EQ Guard, an earthquake sensor alarm device which was designed to save people from earthquakes and tsunamis. The EQ Guard can react to near epicenter earthquakes that occur suddenly. The alarm is available in 11 different languages, and it displays the seismic intensity of various places on a real-time map. It is also able to distinguish 0.1 gal of noise, so it can distinguish between actual earthquakes and other vibrations, preventing false alarms. EQ Guard has a sensor which detects the initial small vibrations of an earthquake and issues an alarm immediately before any significant tremors occur, allowing people to evacuate safely. It can function as a standalone device or connect to other units to create a regional network. It can also be used as a shutdown system at chemical plants and train stations. EQ Guard aims to save lives around the world from earthquakes and tsunamis.
Hi! How many hours a day do you use your smartphone? No matter how convenient it is, humans shouldn't be obsessed and distracted by technology. Next is a harmony with technology. Muay Lab from Kyoto's product, Muay. This is a smart home hub. The wooden board itself is a touch-activated user interface. When you touch it, the display glows gently from hidden surface, and you will interact with smart home through Muay. Muay activates smart home controls such as lighting and thermostat, and you can check the weather forecast and communicate via voice and handwritten messages. There is also a vertical type called height marking in wood. Applications can be customized and personalized due to the personal lifestyle and data. In this way, you can memorize the growth of the child in the pillar and retrieve the memories. Advocated by Muay Lab based on the concept of calm technology and design, we aim to create a society where stress on people is reduced in all spaces such as offices, hotels, and public facilities. In the future, the device seems to be close to humans with the warmth of the forest.
Want to learn more about your health? Well, now there's a precise and painless new way to understand and improve your health from the comfort of your own home. Besu Body Coach is a smart urine analyzer that provides personalized nutrition and lifestyle advice to help you look, feel, and perform at your best. Besu helps you achieve your health and fitness goals through an ongoing cycle of test, adapt, and improve. Test with a simple once-a-week urine test. Adapt by giving you specific nutrition advice based on your profile, goals, and eating habits. Improve. Enjoy more focus and more energy, as well as better sleep, improved immunity, and appetite control. Besu is here to take care of you and your loved one's health. Check them out at besu.com.
Have you ever thought you could enjoy videos if you can choose angles when you watch sports videos or music videos? Today I would like to introduce Swipe Video, which enables us to choose what to see in the video. Hi, Mr. Oda from Amaterasu.
Hi everyone, this is Kei from Amaterasu. Swipe Video is a brand new video experience that allows you to switch up to 100 angles in a single high-resolution stream. It's all browser-based, so no apps or heavy downloads are necessary. With a simple swipe, choose from any available angle. Zoom, pause, even slow it down. It works during all play modes. Our patented web delivery system allows you to watch swipe videos on any cell phone, tablet, or computer with 4G network access. Let stores come to you. Really see products before you buy them. Learn complex new tasks or training from the comfort of your own home. Swipe Video is the ideal solution for this new normal. And now introducing Swipe Video Live. Watch your favorite sports team or artist from any camera in the venue. You can even rewind to catch those special moments again. Thanks.
Now we live in such a great era. You can choose what to see in the video.
Isn't it frustrating with all of these electronics in your life to have to deal with all of these cords? Well, Airplug has come up with a solution to this problem with a rice grain sized power supply circuit that allows you to charge all of your electronics wirelessly through the air. Introducing the Airplug. The Airplug is the first in the world to be able to charge devices wirelessly within a 20-meter range, and it's also capable of sending data between devices. Since it's not angle dependent, it means that it can even supply power when the device is moving around. By using this power transmission technology, it allows us to eliminate the need for all-wire charging. For example, in factories, it eliminates the need to rewire cameras and sensors. It can even be used in the home or in the office to charge, for example, small devices like headphones automatically and wirelessly. It can even be used in medical equipment such as smart contact lenses that allow you to see AR spaces just by wearing your contact lenses. It can also be used in cardiac pacemakers and hearing aids. Airlink's technology aims to make all small electronic devices completely wireless. It seems we're on our way to a wire-free future.
We are now in the COVID-19 era, but I'm still not used to it. Just recently, there was a breakout news that Japan's antibacterial technology repelled coronavirus for the first time in the world. It is Nanozone Code from HiCozy Corporation. Nanozone Code is made of the world's smallest level titanium oxide. After 30 minutes, the new coronavirus attached to the sprayed area was decomposed to undetectable levels. Not only coronavirus, but also other various viruses, bacteria, molds, and pollen, and even odors will be repelled more than 99%. With a single spray, the effect lasts for 2 years in response to light, which is called a photocatalyst. It has already been used in various places that we use daily, such as public facilities, airports, shopping centers, hospitals, and also transportation like trains and buses. The possibilities are endless as it can be used even on electronic devices, PCs, smartphones, ATM touch panels. We hope to live in a safe and secure space, repelling the virus with Nanozone Code.
Do you wish that it was easier to convert your freehand writing into digital data? Gridwork is a free handwriting system that transfers handwriting to digital form, simplifying and improving online interactions, allowing users to share ideas and communicate with others more easily and completely stress-free. Gridwork is comprised of the following: a grid pen with interchangeable ballpoint and stylus cores, a grid board, and a pad of grid paper. Gridwork is extremely easy to use. All you have to do is plug the pen into your PC and it's ready to use. It's the only freehand writing tool which does not require any additional software or driver installation. Gridwork can be used with numerous popular applications such as Zoom, Teams, and Microsoft Office. It can also be used by teachers and students for easy online education. If you're looking for an effective and easy to use online interactive tool, Gridwork is your answer.
Oh, I forgot to bring my employment ID. I cannot enter the office. Oh, I forgot my login password. What comes next to shoot this kind of trouble is a face authentication system, XFace.
XFace is able to judge whether it is a living body from an insensible movement, such as a blink or a gaze with high accuracy. For instance, you could open a door with your real face, while a picture like this could not open it. You will be more comfortable with things If you install this face authentication system with every system requires to log in, such as work management system or operating systems. It will take your temperature when it authenticates you. Thus, this will be useful to prevent outbreak of coronavirus in offices. XFace stylishly realizes safe and secure offices.
To be confident and secure with using face authentication, how about installing XFace in your offices?
Have you ever found yourself in a tricky situation in the bathroom when you've run out of toilet paper? Well, Kamiar has the solution. Kamiar is an IoT smart toilet paper holder. It monitors how much paper is left in the holder and implements an auto order function so it can order new toilet papers when only a certain number are left. New rolls can be ordered automatically or in just a few clicks. By using this product, you no longer need to manually check your toilet paper stock, so cleaning staff don't need to check the toilet paper in public bathrooms as often, reducing cleaning costs. You can also reduce the number of toilet papers you keep stocked in your house by ordering only when you need to. Future Rocket wants to make simple products to help small businesses. By using this product, you'll never run out of toilet paper again.
Hi, we are Colnative company, just founded this summer. It's really hard to feel people's reaction in online. So we create system analyzing people's reaction by multimodal AI. We analyze facial expression, face orientation, gaze, and voice. Our service automatically cooperates with Zoom. After linking with Zoom just once, our clients get report every morning. In online tutoring service, we analyze every lesson movies for checking quality of online communication and report digest movie to students' parents. We can predict 84% of churn from movie analytics. We are one and only multimodal AI services specialized online communications, already applied 12 patents globally. And our sales is rising quite rapidly now. Our team consists of multimodal AI experts and IP specialists. Now we are trying to go to global market. Thank you.